Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2021 MGHS stock number 7092. It's ran from the 4th 2019 to the 12th 2024. It's an SAS3 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a SAS3 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right rear right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door guard, lockout master switch. Center console light, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.